If you're a gardening enthusiast, you know how challenging it can be to keep your garden or lawn free from stubborn weeds. That's where the 2024 Upgrade Weeding Tool comes in. This manual weed remover is a game changer, designed to make your gardening tasks more manageable and enjoyable. Crafted from high-quality manganese steel, this tool is built to last, ensuring you get the most out of your gardening efforts. The included gardening gloves provide extra comfort and protection, so you can work without worrying about blisters or scrapes. The standout feature of this weeding tool is its 4-teeth design, which allows for effortless weed removal. No more struggling with those deep-rooted weeds that refuse to budge. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use, so you can tackle large areas without fatigue. This dual-purpose tool isn't just for weeding. It's also perfect for digging, planting, and even cutting through tough soil. Its lightweight and hollow design make it easy to maneuver, giving you precise control over your gardening tasks. Using this tool is straightforward. Simply insert the teeth into the soil around the weed, making sure to get close to the roots, and then lift the weed out. The result is a weed-free garden with minimal effort. This tool is a must-have for both novice and experienced gardeners alike, offering versatility and practicality that will elevate your gardening experience. Just a quick note. The package contains pointed items, so always wear the included gloves and keep the tool out of reach of children to prevent injury. Whether you're maintaining a small garden or a sprawling lawn, the 2024 Upgrade Weeding Tool is an essential addition to your gardening toolkit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.